We are from GROUP14 and going to present on the Smart Delivery Drone Monitoring System. Here is our group member, Chai Jun-kin, Chue Lin, Pang Chi-ming, and Woon Seung-ki. My name is Chai Jun-kin. What inspiring us to work on this project is due to the current delivery system. The current delivery system in Malaysia are mostly rely on the human power. Therefore, it might cause the parcel is not delivered on time, delivered to a wrong place, or even damaged during the delivery process. In the traditional delivery pattern, clients require to drop their parcel to be delivered, which can be counted as unnecessary to do so. So, this project utilizes the IoT and AWS technology to monitor the drone and the delivery process to solve the problem stated. Here is the architecture diagram of our smart delivery drone monitoring system. Firstly, sensor data sent through the IoT core to DynamoDB. Then, the QuickSight will retrieve the JSON data from the S3 storage and data pipeline to visualize the data. The system admin can analyze the drone status during the delivery process. Then, the system will send a departure event such as time departure and location. At the same time, it will receive the logistic event and store them into the RDS database. Finally, the amplifier will authenticate the valid user to subscribe and receive the parcel tracker event using the REST API.
Hi, my name is Chue Lin and I will present the admin monitoring. First, IoT core is used to create IoT thing. It provided endpoint, certificate, key, and route to publish message using topic and to cloud. From the page below, showing that using script to publish message to DynamoDB through IoT core. And here is the data that pushed to the MQTT topic. Next, here is the IoT rule query statement that retrieves the data from MQTT topic message. The IoT rule action will store this data to drone sensor data table in DynamoDB. Next, DynamoDB is used to create database table that can store and retrieve any amount of data. And here is the table drone sensor data, which store the data retrieved from the MQTT topic. Next, Amazon data pipeline is also used to process DynamoDB table and export it to Amazon S3 bucket. And here is the data that exported from data pipeline. The manifest file will be used in QuickSight. Lastly, QuickSight is to analyze and visualize the manifest file data in S3 bucket. From the screen capture below show that the different data is being visualized.
My name is Pang Chi-ming, and now I'm going to demonstrate my part about how to from IoT send data to RDS and RDS send data to the IoT. So what we do first is create the database. First, then using the MySQL engine, then I can use my SQL workbench to connect to it. So better for me to do the startup to create the table or view the data. So you can see I'm using the SQL script to insert all the data here. Then you can view the data. You can view the data from here. Then after the database is created, then we need to create a lambda function so we can trigger it to get the data from the database and also send the data to the IoT. So I'm using the Python code, so it needs the py-mysql library to connect to the database. After connect to it, what we do is just running the SQL script to get data and also update data from it. So for simple, to get the data from it, we just running the select script, SQL script, select from the database. Then after that, we need to publish to the IoT, so we need to know their topic. So using we just publish to this topic right here. By changing the variable, we can send whatever topic we want. Then also, if we want to update to the database, we just set a lambda function. It will execute the update function, update script to the database. So for demonstration, I have created two rules. Okay, for example, when the drone come in, he want to get the data about his next parcel. So he just publish to the center that his device topic is device 22 data. Then after he publish to it, then you can see he will receive all the parcel data about it. Then so this is how it works to get the data from the database, from the RDS database. Then to update statement, to update to the RDS, you need to do is we set the condition is like this. When the drone come in, he want to start the new parcel, then he want to start the shipment ID 1. So he send to the topic device 22 data. Then he start date is 2, 4, 5. Then after he publish to it, then you can see shipment here. Yeah. Wait. So I go to the shipment. I go to shipment, then you can see the start date is changes. So the RDS, the lambda function trigger it to do the update to the RDS. So here is all my presentation. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Wishen Kit. So now I'm going to cover a few parts, which is Cognito, API Gateway, Lambda, and AWS Amplify. So before I start, this screenshot right here, it shows that the service is being added to the AWS Amplify in cloud. So right here in this part, it shows the information such as the hosting, the API, and also the function names, which is Amplify Hosting, REST API, and RDSR, REST. So next we go to our Cognito, and here we can manage the users, and here it shows the number of users are 2, which is the number of people registered, and below here it shows all sorts of information like required attribute to register the account as a user for the application. So next I will go to the API gateway under REST API, which is the API that we have used earlier. And under this segment, we have this URL. This URL is to trigger the API that we will show later on in this AWS Amplify console, along with this function, which we have used just now, RDS. So in this part, it will show the code, and then this code handles the user input, which is also will be covered later on, and you will query the input from the user and get the output from it will get the output from the RDS database. So right now here I will demonstrate it. So basically right here, which is the website, we have 3 tabs right here: home, profile, and protected. Home is just the homepage of the profile, I mean the application. And then secondly, the profile, here we have to sign in to an account. And then right here we have protected, which is only accessible if we have already signed in. So let me sign in right here. So after we have finished signing in, it will show me my username, email that is registered, and also the phone number. So right now I can access this protected part, and then I can enter a parcel ID. And once I have entered the parcel ID, it will show me the output that is being taken from the RDS database. And yeah, that is all from my part. Thank you.